You're eager to dive deeper into the fascinating world of microwaves. Let's explore the inner workings of this kitchen marvel with bright info. 1. The magnetron, the heart of the microwave. The magnetron is the key component that generates the microwave energy. It's a vacuum tube that uses a magnetic field to accelerate electrons, creating the high-frequency electromagnetic waves. These waves are directed towards the cooking chamber through a waveguide, a metal tube designed to channel the waves. 2. The cooking chamber, where the magic happens. The cooking chamber is lined with metal walls that reflect the microwaves, preventing them from escaping and ensuring they interact with the food. The rotating turntable inside the chamber helps distribute the waves evenly, ensuring consistent heating. 3. The food, the target of the waves. When microwaves interact with food, they are primarily absorbed by water, sugar, and fat molecules. These molecules have a polar structure, meaning they have a positive and a negative end. The microwaves cause these molecules to rotate rapidly, creating friction and generating heat. 4. The process, from waves to heat, the microwaves penetrate the food, heating it from the inside out. This process is called dielectric heating. The heat generated by the rotating molecules is transferred to the surrounding molecules, leading to overall heating of the food. 5. The control system, keeping things safe and efficient. The microwave oven includes a control system that monitors the power output of the magnetron and the cooking time. This ensures the food is cooked safely and efficiently, preventing overheating or burning. Now you have a more in-depth understanding of how microwaves work. Stay focused with bright info for more